Okay, so what we're going to be doing in the Venom workshop today is I am going to show you very quickly how to check the filters on your bike. There's two main filters that you want to keep an eye on. That's your air filter and your fuel filter. Now, your oil filter doesn't have to be changed. It only has to be cleaned. And it only has to be cleaned after maybe every 2 seasons. It's not something that collects a lot of debris or anything like that. As long as your oil cap stays on and nothing gets in your oil, it stays pretty clean. So what you're going to want to check, the air filter is come to the right hand side of your bike, and your air filter is right here. Now the thing with your air filter is on this bike is it doesn't need to be changed either, it just needs to be cleaned. And this is a number 3 Allen key. Okay. Now you pull that out. This one, like I said, is it's brand new. The whole bike's brand new. So, but this is what it looks like. Now, if this does fail on you or fall apart, it's not that big a deal. You can literally order this foam off Amazon, and you can recut it and put it back in. Now, if this, it's going to get some debris on it. Take it apart, like take this apart, put it in a little bit of gas, and clean it out with gas. Right now, it's got some oil in it from shipping. Oops, that's upside down. No, I did have it the right way. It's got a little bit of oil in it from the shipping, but other than that, it's good. So there we go. I'm going to tighten that up, and then we're going to go check out our fuel filter. Okay. And it is a uni-air cleanable air filter. And now the fuel filter is all the way down here. That comes off your fuel line. Now all you have to do is inspect that for debris inside. You'll usually see if there's any debris or anything, but you could change it maybe every 6 months or so. Keep an eye on it, and then you just like literally have to pull the hoses off. Follow the direction arrows. There's always a direction arrow, so the arrow that's pointing that way would be the one coming out of the tank and to the carburetor. So we can put that back up in there. It's not hurting anything. So that's what you're gonna have to keep an eye out. Also, your chain. You want to make sure your chain stays nice and greased. There is a lot of different kinds of things that you can use. I like a chain butter myself, something that's sticky and it really binds to the chain, so oil doesn't, you know what I mean, just get off the chain and then the chain dry up and snap. Now, it's those are all real easy maintenance things that you want to keep an eye on. And that's the video. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you back here real soon.